Hi everyone, Agnes here. Now this video today is for those of you that did not have a very good time in 2025 around the topic of love and you would like a love reset for 2026. So I'm going to go through 6 rules that you can apply and that can help you to start the year with a bang. So number 1, manifesting rule. Stop manifesting from lack and start manifesting from a place of love. Okay, how do you do that? I would suggest you write a list titled How Love Responds to Me in 2026. Okay, so for example, how it responds to you emotionally, how it responds to you in regards to the person being kind to you, available, consistent, and also for you to have fun and joy. Okay, number 2, be in the state of I am already loved. Dress like someone who is adored and speak kindly to yourself as part of your self-love. You need to drop the criticism, okay? No more self-judgment and no more criticism. Number 3, write a plot twist letter to love, okay? What do I mean? Dear love, now I am in this state. I didn't see you coming from the outside. Wow, nice that you are here. So include how it surprised you, why it feels so easy, why it's so much better than what you tried to force in 2025. Number 4, detach but in a hot way. Okay, what do I mean? Not I don't care, okay? It's I care, but I don't chase or over contact. I trust myself, I trust life, I trust source. Okay, so no checking someone's social media, no repeating of old messages, repeating as in replaying them on phones, okay? Replace the urge with going to the gym, having fun, doing things that make you feel free. Flirt with life. This is especially good for exes and specific people. Number 5, let go of the old story struggle, okay? Let the old story die. Now, write down your old story about ghosting, perhaps third parties, perhaps breadcrumbing or broken promises. And then say out loud, this season is cancelled, rip it up, burn it or delete it. Okay? The new story of 2026, love overhaul and upgrade. Number 6, trust your upgrade, not the timeline. Okay? Love doesn't arrive late, it arrives when you are ready, when you are in alignment, okay? So if someone returns, they are different because you are different. If someone new comes in, it will make sense why the old one didn't work. Now, if any of this relates to you, comment below that 2026 is your love reset year. And put these things into practice. Now, before I go, I want to mention a few things. There are 3 free self-study classes down below in the description for those of you that are new to the channel. And I am also going to give a shout out to all the new members. Number 1, KPAT2730, welcome to the members area. There's quite a few of you this week. Number 2, Barbie Queen 1, welcome to the members area to you. Number 3, Sebastian Alex 1238, welcome to the members area. And number 4, Uman 5433, welcome to the memberships. Number 5, Thought Whisperer 2025, you are rejoining, welcome back. And number 7, Trenton James Hollis, welcome to the members area. And number 8, The Naga Saroja, welcome to the members area. So you will, depending on what level of membership you have access to the members videos. Some memberships give you 1 video a month and some memberships give you 2 members only videos a month. Those of you that are members, you can submit questions to me either via email. My email address is in the description of this video, or also you can find it through my website, agnesvivarelli.com, and there is a post up in the members area in the posts where people have already asked questions, so you can add to that list too, whatever's most suitable for you. For those of you that are not members, the link is down below. If you want to have more personal one-on-one access to having your questions answered and also perhaps some relief for your specific situations, that is down below in the description for you. And you can see what you get at each level. I'm not going to go through it in this video. Lots of love, everyone, and I will see you as always in the next video. I hope 2025, no, we are now 2026, I'm still a year behind, has started off well for you in regards to love and feeling loved and feeling that you have that wonderful connection with someone and that you understand each other and that it's working so well. Remember, keep working on your self-love. I will put the self-love, whether it's meditations, 30 days to more self-love. There are lots of self-love playlists on this channel and on my meditation channel. I will add them down below so you can start doing the work and be consistent. Lots of love. See you in the next video.